Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of travel and discussing the essential items you need to make your vacation absolutely unforgettable. Whether you're jetting off to a tropical paradise or exploring a charming European city, these items will ensure you have a smooth and an enjoyable journey. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Packing essentials. First things first, let's talk about packing essentials. These are the items you definitely shouldn't leave behind when you're preparing for your vacation. Number 1. Passport and travel documents. Of course, your passport and any necessary travel documents should be at the top of your list. Make sure to double check the visa requirements and keep photocopies just in case. Number 2. Travel insurance. Don't forget travel insurance. It might seem like an extra expense, but it's a lifesaver if unexpected situations arise. Number 3. Clothing and footwear. Pack versatile clothing suitable for the destination's climate. Don't forget comfortable shoes for working and any special attire you might need. Let's move on to the next section, tech and entertainment. Now let's talk about staying connected and entertained during your travels. Number 4. Smartphone and chargers. Your trusted smartphone is a must. Remember to bring chargers and portable power banks to keep your devices juiced up. Number 5. Travel-friendly gadgets. Consider bringing a compact camera, noise-cancelling headphones, and e-readers to enhance your travel experience. Okay, let's move on to the next section, health and well-being. That's a must. Your health and well-being is paramount. So let's discuss some essentials in this category. Number 6. Medications and first aid kit. Bring any prescription medications you need, along with a basic first aid kit for minor injuries. Number 7. Sun protection. Don't forget sunscreen, sunglasses, and a wide-brimmed hat to shield yourself from the sun's rays. Okay, so let's move to the last section before the last section. Stay organized. Staying organized can make a world of difference when you're on the go. Number 8. Travel organizers. Invest in travel organizers like packing cubes and toiletry bags to keep your belongings tidy and easily accessible. Number 9. Day pack or tote bag. A lightweight day pack or a tote bag is perfect for carrying essentials while exploring your destination. Okay folks, let's move on to the last section, capture memories. Last but not least, let's talk about ways to capture and preserve your travel memories. Number 10. Travel journal. A travel journal is a wonderful way to document your experiences, thoughts, and emotions during your journey. Alright, the last number I'm saying for today is number 11. Camera or smartphone with good camera quality. Capture stunning moments with a camera or a smartphone that has a good camera quality. You will cherish the photos for years to come. And there you have it, the ultimate list of essential items for a perfect travel vacation. Remember, proper planning and preparation will ensure you have a stress-free and enjoyable adventure. So, pack smart, stay organized, and immerse yourself in the beauty of your chosen destination. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!